He's up. Oh, no go. Okay. All right, we'll get you guys going. It's like 4. Let me get this inside here. All right, go ahead and tighten them up, tighten them up. It's Randy, Ronnie, Michael, Andrew, and John. Randy, Ronnie, Michael, Andrew, and John. Okay, one more lap, one more lap. Tighten them up. Next time by, we're going racing along the stripe. Right there, in the box.
Lay down, buddy. Hey, hey.
All right, go, go, go. You're all right.
He's coming over now.
Hey.
I can't.
Out front, Mike in the corner, Walker is trying to gather him up, but looks like Randy's starting to run away here a little bit. Got a good gap to Michael McMorrin. Now Ronnie, Michael back and forth, back. Around goes Ronnie Walker out of 2. Putting McMorrin into 2. Ronnie Walker now down to your 3. 4. Andy Song spins it out going into 3. So Randy by Michael McMorrin, still got him in his sight, under a second gap. Michael McMorrin running the tight line, keeping it tight on the bottom, truck rotating well. Andy's truck is running, so that's good to see. Ronnie having some handling issue, it looks like, with the truck there. But Michael McMorrin to the point. Nope. Right here, coming back across, goes Randy. So Randy, Strong, Michael McMorrin, Andrew, that's your order right here. Heads up start. Had to get set for this class, got it sorted. Mike McMorrin taking over the lead here. Orange truck, 8 is your Budweiser 2. Ronnie Walker to your 3 here, getting chased down by a nice battle there between Ronnie and Andrew for your 3 and 4. Looks like Ronnie dealing with a loose off exit out of that wind. It's just fighting the wind. Andrew's looking for a way in and gets around and Ronnie spins it out. So Michael McMorrin, your battle right here going by for your 1 and 2, Randy and Michael. McMorrin having a good run coming up on the back of the pack here. Gonna have to work through some traffic with 1:15 to go. Oh, Ronnie gets into the back of the 3. Spins out by letting off. Trying not to put Andrew around there. Uh-oh, Michael gets loose. That's gonna bring Randy back to him. Coming out of 2. Comes to Budweiser. Randy Strong. Oh no. Randy gets loose. Andrew gets loose. Michael McMorrin, 45 seconds to go to put himself on the pole of the air main here. Oh, what happened to Randy's truck? All of a sudden, just snapping loose on entry. Michael McMorrin, Randy Strong, Andrew, Ronnie. Oh, Andrew goes around. Ronnie gets by for 3. 15 seconds left. And Michael up a lap over Randy.
Michael McMorrin done. Randy Strong done. Running up again. Running timed up.
Your race, Michael McMorrin taking that one. Nice job, McMorrin. Randy Strong, lung walker, Randy Strong.